Hi, David here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your authentication keys in the WP config file. And I'll just go over to that file now, and let's go down and have a look at that section. So I'm in my WP config PHP file, and again that's found in the root directory of your WordPress installation. I'm opening it up. I'm just using a text editor called Text Wrangler, and that's my text editor of choice. So here in this section here, by default, you'll see if you have opened your file, it'll look like this. And the reason behind securing the authentication keys is what happens is when you log into your WordPress blog, okay, and you're using your blog, that actually creates a cookie in your browser. It's a session cookie, for example, and that cookie contains information such as your username and your password, for example, that you logged in with. And if someone really wants to hack into your WordPress installation, your blog, your website, they can run a set of scripts externally and find that cookie and expose what your username and password is. By adding these 128-bit encryption authentication keys in here makes that tremendously more difficult and basically almost impossible for them to hack. Not completely, but you would have to be very, very worthy of investing the time and effort and the programming and the tools into being able to hack these authentication keys. Okay, so let's just say you're not a bank, because there's a lot more security you have in place. Okay, so but for a normal installation, this will prevent that, and it's a very, very simple thing to do. Once you know about it, then you know how to do it. So how do you go about doing it? Well, as this says here, put your unique phrase here. Now you could put in a number of different words and phrases and characters, and you can change these at any time you like. The worst that would happen is that, for example, if someone's logged in to your site, they've logged in and they're using your site, it'll force them to have to log out, and it says it up here, it will force them to have to log out and log back in again, which is no big deal. So you can create your own unique phrases and characters in this section here, or you can use a service that WordPress has created for us called, let me find it here, it is the api.wordpress.org/secret-key/1.1/salt. And what this site does is produce a random set of authentication keys, which are here. Now you can quite simply hit the refresh button, and you'll see that they just randomly generate. Okay, so this is what I use. Again, you can go and use your own, but you want to make sure that there's the same amount of characters, okay, because it makes it that much more difficult to hack. If you just put some simple terms in there, like so your dog's name and your cat's name, things like that, it wouldn't take long before they could still hack that session cookie. Okay, so what you need to do is just select this text here, like so, right mouse and copy, and then we pop back into our wp-config.php file, and all you do is this, pretty simple, right mouse, click and paste aroma, and that's it, all done. Ensure you go up and select save, and that's it. That's all you need to do, and you can change that on a weekly, daily, hourly basis if you want to, depending on how paranoid you are about people hacking your WordPress site. So that is as simple as it gets. So there's no excuse for not using your authentication unique keys and salts. And that's pretty much it. And they've put the link here. As you can see, there's the link right there in the actual comments of the WP config file, which I didn't actually realize until right now. I will also put the link in at the base of this article as well for you. Okay, so I'll leave it there, and I'll talk to you in the next video.